Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, navigation system, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.